Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Moana in Avatar World. First, navigate to the character creation screen and select a female avatar. Next, choose a warm, medium brown skin tone that closely resembles Moana's natural complexion. Then, adjust the face shape to be round with soft, youthful features, ensuring a friendly and approachable look for your character. Now, let's focus on her distinctive features. Select long, wavy dark brown hair, styled with a natural part down the middle. Give her large, expressive dark brown eyes to capture her adventurous spirit and determination. Add thick, natural-looking eyebrows that complement her face. Finally, choose a small, slightly upturned nose and full, soft lips to complete her iconic facial appearance. For her iconic island attire, dress your avatar in a red or orange crop top, ideally with a tribal pattern. Pair this with a beige or cream-colored skirt, perhaps featuring a leaf-like design to evoke her connection to nature. Don't forget to add a flower or leaf accessory to her hair for an authentic touch. Crucially, include a necklace with a prominent blue heart of Te Fiti pendant. To truly bring Moana to life, ensure all chosen colors and patterns are as close as possible to the original character's design. Experiment with different poses to capture her adventurous and determined spirit, perhaps one looking out to sea. If available, consider adding a pet pig, pua, or rooster hai for extra authenticity. Finally, review your creation carefully to make any final, subtle adjustments, perfecting your Moana.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.